So let's go for a little demo flight with the X12. Let's hit that 1 key to take off. Oh yeah, takes off automatically.
Best Drone 2020 under 100. Unboxing and review.
Let's open up the box and check it out. Alright, everything is out of the box and laid out on the table, so let's check out what we get in the box first. We get a bag of goodies. We got some prop guards here, and I do recommend you put the prop guards on if you are a beginner. You can help protect the props and in turn help protect the motors. There's some extra props here, looks like a full set of extra props, and there are small little pieces of something in here as well as a screwdriver. Let me go ahead and take out what those small little pieces are and check it out. But here's one of the small little pieces that were in the bag. There's 4 of these, and I do believe what it is some landing legs for each of the motor pods. So you push it in like right here, and it provides a landing leg on each of the motor pods, kind of like what this picture is showing, like just like that. Alright, so, but I'm not going to put that on. I think the quadcopter already has some landing legs built in. So we'll come back to the quadcopter in a little bit, and that is what you get in this little bag of goodies. And we also get the screwdriver. Somehow took the screwdriver out. And here's the charge cable, USB to a little barrel style connector. And here is the battery, proprietary battery, and there is the port to connect this barrel style connector and power source, the USB to charge up the battery. And the battery itself is a 3.7 volt. I can't see any writing on there, so I'm telling you what I am reading from the product page. It is a 3.7 volt 1000 milliamp battery, supposed to be good for about 10 to 13 minutes of flight, so that is pretty good. All right, so and you will also get the instruction booklet, yeah, in all kinds of different languages, and drone Wi-Fi scout. So let's go ahead and take a look at the quadcopter and the remote control a little closer. All right guys, so here is the quadcopter, foldable design once again, and it is looking kind of like the Mavic Air clone here, kind of anyways. Here are a couple of LED lights looking like eyes up in the front, and there is the camera, the Wi-Fi FPV camera, and it is tilt adjustable. We see that there is a on and off button right on the top, and even though it is a foldable design, the props are not foldable. It looks like it is foldable, but it is not. So let's go ahead and spring out the arms here. The front arms fold out just normally, just fold it out, there we go. But the rear arms have to go below and it clicks out. There's 4 clicks to click it out all the way out. 2, 3, 4. And now we have a significant size quadcopter, just like all of the rest of the foldable type of quadcopters. So that is just about it on the quadcopter itself. And there's also a little LED light fixture in the back as well, right on top of the battery compartment. So here is the battery. So you just slide it in, and it only goes in one direction, just like the contour of the quadcopter. So just push it in all the way, clicks into place, and then now you can turn it on by depressing the on and off button there. So let's put the quadcopter down, and it doesn't look like I need to put the landing legs or the little pieces of that landing leg on the motor pod. Looks like it's going to land itself pretty good with those built-in landing legs on the body. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the remote control. And it is another familiar type of remote control. I've done a bunch of reviews that utilize the same type of remote control. And here is the hidden phone clip on the bottom. Just pull it out, and let's see if it'll take my iPhone 6 Plus with the case. And oh yeah, it'll take the iPhone 6 Plus with the case, so that is nice. You take that off, and it provides a nice little handle too once you put the phone on there. So these antennas are just fake antennas, but looks nice when you flip it out. There's the power on and off button there. That's the throttle. This is the pitch and the roll. It is the mode 2, and there's some buttons on the top. So this button here is the headless mode button. If you press it, short press it, and if you long press it, it is the 1 key to return. And on the right side, this button in the back here is the speed button, and I do believe it has 3 speeds. This button up here on the front, it is for flips. Just press this button and do the direction of the flips that you want. We got some trim buttons here, to the right, to the left, forward and backward, and some little light fixture. I believe it just turns on. The second one turns on to indicate the power is on, and it is a red indicating LED light. Here's a 1 key to take off and 1 key to land, so that is nice. And both sticks to the bottom and in will arm and disarm the motors, and both sticks to the bottom and out will calibrate the gyros of the quadcopter. All right, so this has a control distance of about 100 to 150 meters. That's what it says on the product page. Everything connected. The transmitter is turned on. As you can see, there's a red LED light on that second little hole there. I have the Wi-Fi FPV app turned on, and I do have connection, and we do have pretty good FPV, and the camera seems to be pretty decent. Looks like a 720p FPV camera. So let's go ahead and let me start my screen record on my phone so I can show you what the app looks like. And there we go. All right, so that is how it looks like. If I turn on the displays, that's what it looks like. And altitude hold, and it gives you the button for 1 key to take off, 1 key to land, emergency stop, and I see a microphone icon as well. And that is the phone app, and I'm just going to leave it just the way it is right now because I'm going to fly it with the hard remote. So both sticks to the bottom and out will calibrate the gyros of the quadcopter. So let's see, there you go. LED light flashed and it has stopped, and both sticks to the bottom and in will arm the motors and disarm the motors as well. And let's go ahead and hit that video icon, and we are recording video as well. Let me make sure I got screen record on. All right, so let's go for a little demo flight with the X12. Let's hit that 1 key to take off. Oh yeah, takes off automatically. And there is a LED light in the back, and it is red, and I am able to see it when the quadcopter is at a angle where I can see the LED light. And let me turn it around, and I can see the LED lights in the front as well. There's a little breeze kicking in, so there you go. And the motors are embedded inside of the arms and are lying laterally with the arms. So it's kind of like the JJRC Elfie type foldable quadcopter here. Okay, that is speed number 1, I am assuming. Okay, not bad. Let me go to speed number 2, a couple of beeps, and there's speed number 2. Let me see if I can see if there's any lag right off the bat. We got altitude hold, so there I am coming towards me, and hey, that is not bad. You can FPV with this thing right off the bat. Uh-oh, there's a little bit of disconnect. There you go, bringing it back, and probably the car was in the way here, so signal got lost. But this is not bad. And there you go. All right, speed number 3. Do a little flip. Okay, it will do a left flip. It will do a right flip, but it will not do a forward flip and a rear flip, back flip. Okay, so just left and right flips can be had with this quadcopter. All right, so let me go ahead and hit that headless mode here. And yep, headless mode is working. No annoying beeps on the transmitter, so that is good. All right, so going forward, coming back in a full yaw spin, So headless mode is working just perfectly as I have calibrated the quadcopter. So that is nice. Let me hit that button again. Out of the headless mode now. Yeah, we are out. And long pressing the same button is the one key to return. So let's go ahead and, there you go. It is returning to the southbound heading, and redirecting it gets you out of the one key return, and see if the button will get you out as well. Long pressing it, and long pressing the button again will get you out of the one key to return. So that is awesome. Nice, everything is working just fine. Let's see, let's test out the one key to land here. One key to land, and directing its path to land on the landing pad, and there you go, touchdown, and the motor shut off. So everything works.